I created a particle system that is able to set its z-index, or y-sort, to a position that is in between objects, in front of other objects, and reactive to the world environment in the 2.5D top-down game. Notice that this particle is in front of this blue box. Well, what happens whenever the particle doesn't make it all the way through that blue box and it is going to be behind this blue box because typically rain is coming straight down, and so whenever it's coming straight down it should make it through all of the sprites that it is going through. So what if this blue box was down a little bit? Notice that this particle effect is now being rendered behind the blue box because the particle is not going through all of the blue box. It is ending right here. This effect is not parseable in GPU particles because each particle in the GPU is not being dynamically set to a z-index that is reactive to the world around it. Now, what if we have a situation where we have to render a rain particle in between two sprites? So let's set that up really quick. So what if it's making it all the way through the blue box, so it's going to be rendered in front of the blue box, but it's not making it through the green box. So this particle should set its z-index to 172 because that's one below the green box, and it should render that between the two. Now, what if I move right in front of this? Notice that it's setting it to z-index 162. Well, that's because it now needs to be behind my character because it's not making it through all of my sprite. Therefore, this is a particle that can react to the environment. This is really interesting because we can create different particle effects that know about the world around us and can be simulated accordingly. For example, an extension to this system could be a dust particle that knows the color of the terrain, the tile map that it was spawned on, and can set its particle color to the same color as where it was spawned at. This system is the power of CPU particles. And if you want to take a look at this code, I can make an open source repo with it, and you can take a look and use it in your game if you'd like. Just leave a comment down below if you're interested, and I will make this publicly available if people are interested.